In Spanish, you have many different types of conjugations. You have your irregular, regular, imperfect, perfect, and then you have your everyday use of AR, ER, and IR conjugations. But I'm going to teach you about the AR, ER, and IR verbs and how to conjugate them. To conjugate for an AR ending verb, you would use the endings o, as, a, amos, ais, and on. For the ER and IR ending verbs, you would use o, es, imos, is, and en. And that's for both ER and IR. But if you take hablar, for example, which means to talk, and you wanted to say I talked, hablar is an AR ending verb. So you would say habló, which would mean I talk. But if you use the word comer, which means to eat, and you need to say I eat, since it ends with ER, you would say como, which means I eat. Or you could even say we eat, comimos, or they eat, comen, or even we speak, hablamos, or they speak, hablan. All those are different types of endings, depending on if it's AR, ER, or IR endings. So remember, for AR, it's o, as, a, amos, ais, and on. For ER and IR, it's o, es, imos, ais, and en. And so, for depending on whichever verb you use, if it's hablar or trabajar or comer, depending on who you are talking about, if it's me, you, them, or us, you would change the endings. And that is how you conjugate the simple AR, IR, and ER verbs.